Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my patrons and those who support this channel by using my referral code to buy your Tesla in any way you can. So it looks like Tesla hit the $420 mark. It's a very symbolic number. It's very symbolic and it's very incredible, but it's not surprising to me at all, as a Tesla fan, as a Tesla Model 3 owner, and as a Tesla investor. Again, I just want to preface everything that I do not recommend buying, selling, holding any Tesla stock or any stock whatsoever. And it's interesting to see the reasons for it. And I want to reflect on something that Jim Cramer said and others. And it's really, I think it comes down to this. Making electric cars is not easy. And the legacy manufacturers had, 10 years now, 12 years, whatever it is, to catch up with Tesla. And Tesla is heads and shoulders and a decade or two ahead of everybody else in battery technology, in manufacturing capability, and most importantly, in mission-driven purpose. The others don't have a mission to do this. So they take a gasoline car, they shove a big battery in the back, and then they say, okay, here's your electric car. Go buy my Ford F-150 18 miles per gallon car, truck. Great. So Jaguar and Audi and Ford and everybody else, it's not like they're a bad competition. There are no competition, none, zero whatsoever. Their technology and their desire and their will to do what Tesla does is just non-existent. None, zero. Forget about them. Sadly, forget about them, because I want them to join and compete. So you have incredible manufacturing capability now in the United States, in China, in Europe in a couple of years, record sales, finally showing sub-profits, a very disciplined and good Elon Musk without the Twitter shenanigans, focus on the mission and accomplish. Great solar program that is going to hopefully accelerate the solar business. Model 3 sold by tens and thousands and hundreds of thousands. Model Y coming very soon. And of course, the China and Germany factory. China is already selling and producing. And then Germany will come up. Germany, we're talking about 750,000 a year. That is incredible. And of course, the Cybertruck and everything else. But I think the most important is the efficiency of the Tesla manufacturing business. They learn all their lesson. And also very, very important that you remember is that they became a frugal company, a company that is efficient, that does more with enough, not with less, more with enough, with no lavish expenses and all that stuff. That's very important, and therefore the margins are growing and the sales are growing and scales and all that. And of course, mission focused and mission driven people that doing stuff that changing the world one electric car at a time. I heard somebody say that before. Anyway, so that is why it is where it is now. Now the 420 is a very symbolic number. If you remember a year ago with the funding secure, 420 going private, all that stuff, SEC, $20 million fine. We all know that story. That's in the past. Forget about it. This is a moral victory and also a material victory for people who believe in Tesla stock and all that. So that's that for today. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up, put your questions and comments below, and I'll see you tomorrow.